Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna tackle another problem that some of us may be having, because it's a problem that I've been having. This problem comes up as you're trying to install a program onto your Windows. I'm running Windows 11, updated version of Windows 11. So this problem comes up if you're trying to install an application to your Windows. Let me just show you what happens. I've reinstalled my Windows because I've been having a few problems with it, and it's running just fine now, except for this problem. So when you're trying to install an application package file, this happens. This error pops up. The installer encountered an unexpected error. The error code is 2503. This is an access permission problem from your temp folder. So you'll need to go to your local disk, go into the Windows folder, and then I want you to navigate to your temp folder. Okay, then at your temp folder, I want you to right click, go into the properties, navigate to your securities tab, okay, and then I want you to go into the advanced tab, not the edit tab. We'll do that later. Advanced tab. And as you can see here on the top, it says system. I want you to change that permission to basically your login name. The computer's name is Matrix. So I want you to go into find all permission slips there. Okay. Navigate down to the computer name. My computer login name is HankTech. I'll select that as an administrator. And okay, that is set now. Then I want you to go into the edit section, and then I want you to grant access to all. I want you to grant permission to all of these application or administrator slips, like all applications, HankTech, administrator, especially trusted installer. I want you to give access or allow all of these programs to make changes to this folder. And okay, that one is already selected. Select HankTech, allow access. System is already set. Create the owner, allow. So now that the permission has been granted access to this folder, we can install applications, and we won't receive that error no more. 2503 is the error code. So let's install it now. I know that this fix will work for you because all Windows 11s are basically the same. I'm running Windows 11 Pro. As you can see, the application is installing just fine. This gadget pack takes a little bit longer to install. It gets stuck right there, but it'll install. I think it has a lot of Windows Defender just caught a virus. Don't worry, it's just a ghost file that it put into the temp folder. It puts the ghost file into the folder and then removes it immediately. the virus went away. Okay, so I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this kind of thing, this is just little fixes that I make videos on. So if you go into, I don't have that much YouTube videos, but if you go into my channel archive, you'll see there's a few videos. If you're into that kind of thing, support me, like the video, subscribe. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.